Process of evolution. In 1835, when Darwin visited the Galapagos Islands, evidence has been found to indicate that living things have changed gradually during their natural history. The study of fossils as well as biogeography, embryology, molecular evidence, and comparative anatomy such as homologous structure, analogous structure, and vestigial structure provide evidence of evolution. Sa 1835 kuno si Darwin ni visit siya sa Galapagos Island. So dito niya nakita ang mga living things nga kanang nabag-o kuno during their natural history. So naapo daw ni siya type of evidence. So first is analogous structure. Analogous structure are similar structure in organism with a shared ancestry. This structure evolved independently to serve the same purpose. So, ang kaniko nung analogous, ano siya part sa kanang body nga laylay isyag kanang organism. Pareho sila og like gamit or function, pero dili sila lain og kanang awlay sila kanang ingingnan. So para mas makasabot ako tagana na mo example. So di ba ang ibon na manaykoan na ay kanang pako hasta pud ang kanang langaw. So ang kalayan ni ay pareha sila og function, pero laylay sila pareha sila gigamit nga molupad, pero dili sila pareho kanang kuan kung asa sila gikan. Kay ang ibon, ang pako sa ibon kay naay bukog, pero ang sa kanang sa langaw nga pako kay wala mo siya. So next is embryology. The study of the development of the anatomy of an organism to its adult form provides evidence for evolution as embryo formation in widely divergent groups to organism tends to be conserved. Ang kaning embryology kay diri mao ni ang study kung giunsa pag buo sa kanang kuan sa usa ka organism nga gikan sa embryo. Nya mao ni ang kuan hantod ni siya sa hantod modako na ni siya, mao ni siya. Embryo kay pareha ra ni sila. Like kung asa sila nagsugod dito sad sila, like pareha gyapon sila pareha sa kanang. The next one is homologous structure. Homologous structure are similar structure in organism with shared ancestry. These structure are derived from the same common ancestor but may not have the same function. So ang kaning homologous structure kay diba hayop siya or tanom na nasilay ka ng part silang body nga pareho gid sila. So it means pareha sila kanang kuan kanang in Tagalog pinanggalingan ngana niya, pero lahi iyang gamit. So for example, di ba pamilya mo, syempre namoy mata, ilong, baba kay naa lang. So meaning namoy kanang kita natay kanang pareho basic parts sa kanang noun, pero lahi ang kuan, lahi ang shape sa mata, sa ilong, sa baba, like ngana. Thank you.
Molecular evidence. Molecular evidence is a evidence concerning the comparison of DNA and protein molecules between species. So, through this, scientists can see how closely related living things are. For example, ang human o ang monkey kay naay almost nga pagka-same og DNA, which means nga kita kay nagikan sa common ancestor. So, ang molecular evidence kay makatabang ni siya nga mag-prove that all living things are connected o na-evolve from earlier forms of life or pag sinaunang pang panahon. Fossils. Fossils are the preserved remains of plants and animals whose bodies were buried in sediments such as sands and muds under ancient seas, lakes, and rivers. Fossils are the traces of organisms that live in a long ago or pag sinaunang panahon. So, ang fossils kay usually ma-found ni siya sa rocks, sands, and muds. So, ang fossils kay nakatabang siya sa mga scientists nga masabtan nila og unsay klase nga organism ang nag-exist diri sa kalibutan pag sinaunang panahon o how they change or evolve through the years. For example, by studying dinosaurs fossils, scientists discover how animals have adapted or disappeared as the Earth environment changed. So, ang fossils are like time capsule. Mahatag ni sila og mga clues about sa history of life pag sinaunang panahon diri sa kalibutan. Vestigial structures are the features of organisms that are considered to have lost much or all of their original function through evolution. These structures provide insight into the environment and behavior of a species and ancestor and how they evolved through time. So, ang vestigial are parts of our organism that have lost their original function through evolution. So, for example, in human, we have appendix. So, it doesn't really save a big purpose now. But in our ancestor, nakatabang na siya og digest sa certain plants. These structures show how species must change o adapt over time. Nakatabang siya, pero dili na siya complete or kanang dili na siya sa iyang original nga function. Phylogenetic tree. A phylogenetic tree can be read like an evolutionary history. Rooted phylogenetic trees have single lineage at the base representing a common ancestor. So, a phylogenetic tree kay mura na siya family tree but for species siya. It shows how different organisms are related and where they came from. So, ang phylogenetic tree kay na siya ay branches. So, to the branches show how species have split and evolved over time. So, for example, two branches that are close together means kaning nga species kay closely related yun na siya kay close makay sila nga branch. So, scientists use this tree to trace evolutionary history. It helps us understand how life on Earth is all connected through this phylogenetic tree. Kani sila kay nag-work together para mapakita og how life has evolved. They help scientists understand where we came from and how species have changed through a million of years.
Structure of rooted phylogenetic tree. Structure of phylogenetic tree, diagram o puno na ginagamit sa mga scientifico para ipakita kung saan nanggaling ang iba't ibang organismo. Mga bahagi ng mga phylogenetic tree. Branch point. Kani ang point kay ang mga paghihiwalay ng mga dalawang linya dito ay nagkaroon ng pagkakaiba o pag-evolve ng dalawang species mula sa isang pinagmulan. Basal taxon. Pinakaunang grupo na nag-evolve mula sa pinagmulan which is katong root at hindi nahati. Sister taxa. Kani kay duha ka grupo o species na nagmula sa isang branch point maong tinatawag na sister kay pareha man sila og pinagmulan. Polytomy. Isang branch na may higit na dalawang linya, tatlo o higit pang species sabay-sabay nagmula sa isang pinagmulan. Root. Ugat ng puno diri nagsugod tanan kay ipakita ang pinakaunang ninuno. Common ancestors. Monophyletic group. Clade. isang grupo na may isang pinagmulan. For example, kung ang ninuno kay nag-evolve sa nagkaroon ng 3 apo, kanang 3 ka apo kay kabilang sa iisang clade.
Of evolutionary tree, monophyletic group is also called clade, which shows one common ancestor and all the descendants share a common characteristic, including the most recent ancestors. A monophyletic group, also known as a clade, includes a single common ancestor and all of these descendants. This means of organism in that group comes from the same ancestor and shares certain common characteristics that were passed down. In other words, if you were to draw a branch of evolutionary tree, a monophyletic group would be one full branch starting from one ancestor, including everything that evolved from it, nothing left out. Example, all birds from monophyletic group because they all share a common ancestors and have traits like feathers, warm bloodedness that came from the ancestors.
Thank you.
Paraphyletic group refers to a group of organisms with similar characteristic with originated from one recent common ancestor but shows different characteristics from other descendants of the recent ancestor. Ang paraphyletic group di ay tungod kay wala kini naglakip sa mga langgam nga may tubo gikan sa Reptilia. Polyphyletic group includes organisms that originated from the same ancestors but not related at all in terms of their most recent ancestor. Ang polyphyletic kuno kay mura siya og group nga gi-combine pero dili siya pareho og ancestor, meaning lahi-lahi sila gikan. Polytomy indicates more than 2 immediate descendants. Ang polytomy kay murag family tree na ay mga sanga pero wala ta kabaw kung unsa ilang kapareho. Mura to.